Okay, boys, a lot of you had been asking about questions 7a and 7b, so I thought I'd record a quick video showing you how to do this. So I've drawn them out on here so we don't need to look at the textbook. These are rough sketches, and now I'm going to show you how you construct these accurately. Okay, so the first one, we need a 15 centimeter baseline. So I'm going to go as far over as I can. So here we go, 15 centimeters, and it wants us to do a perpendicular 7 centimeters in from the left hand end. So I'm going to make a little mark at 7 there. Okay, and I've got to use my compasses, which are right here, to construct that perpendicular 7 centimeters in. I've got a nice sharp pencil. What I'm going to do is open the compass out to whatever feels comfortable, but not more than 7 centimeters, and I'm going to put it on the mark I made on the line. And what I'm going to do now is make one mark one side like that, and then carefully swivel it round and do a mark the other side like that. Okay, now I've got two marks that are the same distance away from the dot there. Okay, and what we want to do now is kind of forget the rest of the line and just do a perpendicular bisector between these two marks here. So I'll get my compass again and open it out to a little bit more, because it's got to be over halfway, so a little bit more like that. And then I'm going to do a mark here and then a mark here. Lift the compass without changing it, move it over to this side. Do a mark to cross that one and a mark to cross that one. Okay, and now we can draw in our perpendicular nicely at right angles, look. And if I take the ruler, we'll just check, of course, that is 7 centimeters from the left hand end of the 15 centimeter line. Job done. Now we'll move on to 7b. Okay, let's just move the paper over a little bit. Here we've got to construct a bisector on the end of a 10 centimeter line. Okay, I'm just going to draw this down here. Now, what you have to do with this one, a little bit sneaky perhaps, is to extend the line. Now, what I'm going to do is extend it with dashes, because it shouldn't kind of really be in the diagram. Alright, and I'm going to do a mark at 10 centimeters so we can see. And basically this follows the same principle now as 7a. You're going to get your compass, you're going to put it on there, and you're going to need to do a dash either side. That'll just about fit on, look. So I've done a dash either side from that point. Okay, and then you're going to do a perpendicular bisector between these two dashes. So open the compass a little bit further, do a mark below the line and a mark above the line. Now you can't see that, so I'm just going to move it up a bit. So then a mark below the line and a mark above the line, and then move the compass to this side and not change it. Mark, mark. Okay, and then I get my ruler and I line it up, and then it just wants above. So in fact I didn't actually need this cross down here at all. I could have just drawn the line from that mark through that cross. Okay, and now I should have constructed exactly what it wanted. 10 centimeters. I'm only supposed to draw it 5 centimeters. I've made a mess. I need to rub it off from there upwards, and then we'll have our answer. Let's get the rubber out. And there we go, 5 centimeters. And you leave all the construction lines in. You don't rub any of the arcs off because they are showing you're working. All right.